So are you ready? This test will reveal if your eyesight is your superpower. Like, can you cut through steel with your heat vision or something? No. We all know that the eyes are the windows to the soul. Do your windows need cleaning, or are they crystal clear and give a sharp picture of the world? Take this test to find out. There will be 4 stages, and it will get harder and harder with each stage. The first one might seem like a piece of cake, and if you're actually seeing a piece of cake, then we got problems. But the further we go, the more concentration it will require. In fact, only 8% of people can pass stage 4 because it's so hard. You will have the same task for every question in all the stages. The task is to pick 1 out of 10 colors, which is different from the rest. To pass each of the stages, you have to find that odd one out in each task. If you fail once, you fail the entire stage. Hey, no pressure. So, sharpen up those eyeballs. Here's stage 1. Okay, this one was easy. I have no doubt you can find the odd one out here as well. Done with stage 1? It was just a warm-up. 97% of people succeed at this stage. Stage 2. Moving up on the difficulty scale. This one will require more attention. Let me take a look at this one. Yes, I knew it was number 10. Still winning at it. Stage 2 is over. Did you make it? Hit thumbs up if you did. In that case, you have a healthy average eyesight, just like 55% of all test takers. The challenge is getting tougher and tougher. Get ready for stage 3. Wow, that was very subtle. These 50 shades of turquoise are not really different, are they? Oh, I see it now. Done with Stage 3. Congratulations to those who made it. You stand with the 30% of people who made it too. In case this was the stage you failed at, don't be sad. You can improve your eyesight, and this video will tell you how to do it. And now it's time for Stage 4. Caution, it might change your life because you can discover some superpowers in yourself. Ready, set, go. Are you kidding me? These are identical. Oh, who could have thought this was the odd one out? Let me clean my screen. Maybe it'll help me solve this one. No way! I thought it would be number 4. Wait, what? Unbelievable. Done and done. Congratulations to all superhumans out there who made it. Your eyesight is fantastic. 92% of people failed at this task, and you managed to rock it. There is a chance you are a tetrachromat. This smart word is used to define people who have more receptors in their eyes than others and can see more shades of different colors. Time to share your results. Did you manage to make it through all 4 stages? If you failed, which is totally fine, at what stage did it happen? Let's discuss it in the comment section. Now, if you like this video, let us know by hitting the special like button and share it with your friends to see who has the sharpest eye. If this video gets 60,000 likes, we'll share another fun test. Subscribe to our channel to not miss it, as well as the other updates. And join us on the bright side of life.